We are going to talk about the resource PebbleGO, which is a fantastic nonfiction online resource. Many teachers use it for independent student research, but it also has a lot of other features that can be used in the classroom or at home. One of my favorite parts about this resource is available in both English and Spanish for animals, science, biographies, and social studies. Dinosaurs are a newer area in PebbleGO, and unfortunately at the moment it is only available in English. Many people use this resource for independent student research. It is fantastic for that because not only does it give lots of information, students can easily navigate it by clicking on the tabs on top. It does the citations for us. So students can make sure they are following copyright laws and printing off citations instead of worrying about that. There are related articles that can be printed off at home or at school. Many of them come with activities or note takers to go with each topic. Many of the topics in here have videos as well. So here's our fantastic Queen
Chief
Elizabeth.
of the Air Staff, today is a very special day.
And of course, there are timelines, which is a fantastic nonfiction text feature that students need to be familiar with for sequencing as well. Not only is it good for research, there are topics in here that can be used in the classroom or at home for student interests. For example, they have a whole section on math. There are videos that go along with this.
What is place value?
There are activities and note takers as well as related topics.